Hey guys, welcome to Coding with Aadil, and today we are going to talk about creating games. I know that you all like games, no? So whatever we create them, that's more like it, right? So if you're watching my video now, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Okay, this is my first video, so like and support for more videos. I'll continue the class like so many sessions, like it will continue on. Just support me, right? Okay. So today we are going to create games with programming. So everything in programming. So programming is made with code language, and so it's also called coding. That's why my name is Coding with Aadil. Okay. Now we are talking about three languages: JavaScript, Python, and C++. And mainly we are starting with JavaScript. So now let's hop in. Okay. Yeah. You can see I have given a link in the description. So hop into it and just sign up. Yeah, you may sign up and you should go to the right side like login. Yeah, sign up. Yeah, I have logged in, but I'll show you how. Yeah, look, you should give a username, password, email, login, or login with GitHub if you have an account, or Google. Then, so I don't need it because I have logged in it before. So next, I'll go like, okay. Now you could see here that there are two types of domain that function. You could see that, right? In the function setup, there are two brackets and a curly bracket, and inside that I create canvas, etc. Okay, let's see. I'll preach. Yeah. Okay. Here you could see that a small box or square came. That's where we will see our output, or when we create games, what we can see there. And create canvas is what we see now. When we create canvas 400 we are giving like the x-axis measurement and the y-axis measurement 400. You get that? Okay, I'm typing now rectangle. RECT is nothing but rectangle, and we are doing that for giving the objects measurements for it to produce, for it to come as an output. I didn't tell our background, right? Okay, background is nothing but the color of it. So if we don't give background, it will come like messing up and you won't get anything. Okay, so I'm giving it a number like 220 and 220 and 210 something. Whenever it comes lighter or lower, it becomes darker, and whenever it rises, it become lighter. That's more like it, right? Okay, RECT is nothing but what RECT it makes quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, we can make it any measurement, anything. Yeah. Okay, if we give a measurement out, if you give a measure like background F0 in command line prompt, we can give it like that. But here we cannot because it's a P5 editor, right? We can only give numbers. And I have given 210, and look, it became more darker. So whenever it low, it will become darker. Whenever it rises, it will become light. Okay, that's easy, right? Now let's hop in the rectangle. Okay. I'm giving the measurement right now. So in every statement you write in it, not function, rather than function, you should give a small semicolon. That's a must, like a full stop to a sentence. So that's a must. You could give it before writing the code or after the code. That's your wish. Okay. So I'm giving the code right now. Yeah. So let me explain it. At first, in the bracket, you write in order. Like first the x-axis, the y-axis, the width, the length. Okay, x-axis is nothing but the position in the x-axis from 1 to 400. Y-axis is nothing from the position in the y-axis from 1 to 400. Y-axis is nothing but vertical length. X-axis is nothing but horizontal length. Okay, so after that comes the vector length. Vector length is nothing but width and length. So here you could see that I have typed 10, 200, 10, 20. So 10 is the x-axis, 200 is the y-axis, 10 is the width, and after the 20 is the length. Okay, you could see that it became a small little rectangle. Cute, right? So I think we should make a little more wider. So actually I'm planning to teach you how to make a Pong game. I think most of you guys know how to play a Pong game, right? So guess what? That we need a play paddle or a user which we use to control it, a computer paddle, our rival, and most precisely what? A ball. So I have made it a little more wider to look as a paddle, so you could see that it's perfect right now, right? Cute. Okay, so after that we need the computer paddle, right? So we will write another RECT. What is the RECT? Rectangle, okay. And we will do curly brackets and a semicolon at the end. And we'll go inside. Inside, guess what? Now we can't give the same measurements as before because our X and Y position is different on the rear end, right? Here in the left hand we are giving the player paddle. On the right hand we will give the computer paddle. On the right side we should give another measurements. Here 10, 200. 10 means close to the wall and 200 is the middle, the vertical length middle. So in right side anyway we'll give Y position at 200 because we need it at the middle, and X position we have to think, right? So guess what? I have given 210. Okay, we give 210, so the X position I Y position. So many guys think like this, like we'll give vice versa, but it's wrong. Okay, I just show you how it will come when you think. So now I will give it 359. Okay, I'll give it 359, 200, 10 and 50. 10, 50, the same measurement as our play paddle. Play it and you can see it's same. So when you see it, it's very close to the rear end, right? Not there should be a little space between them. So I'd rather do correct. So next I will change the position to 380. So yeah, here look, it became right. So I'm freshening up. ICT is nothing but a rectangle or a quadrilateral by giving X position, Y position, width, length, and always put the measurements inside the curly bracket, and after that give a semicolon at the end like a full stop. And next, guess what? We need precisely a ball to play the game, right? So we give another RECT. Don't mess up. You can understand it. RECT 4. So instead of the ball, we are giving a small square because we can't make it right now here. This is just introduction of the basic form of the game. So we give RECT as rectangle, two curly brackets, semicolon at the end, and after that, yeah, the ball should be at the center of the game, right? I find when it starts, it should be at the center of the game. So guess what? What is the center in the y-axis? From 1 to 400, 200. Next, what's the center in x-axis? From 1 to 400, 0. So next, what is in the measurement? So we need as a square, right? So we'll give 10, 10. You can see that I have typed it right. 200, 200, 10, 10. X-axis, y-axis, 10, 10. So it made the ball. I played it and you could see that it made the ball. Looks cool, right? Kinda cute. Okay. It is not finished yet. So in the Pong game, we should control our own paddle, right? So I'm suggesting you, and you could look now. Yes. In the y-axis, you could see that I have changed it to mouse Y. You could also call it as mousey. So when I change the cursor, it moves with it, right? Superb, right? So we have made a basic outline of a Pong game. So, how was it, guys? So I'm freshening you up. First of all, function setup. Function setup is a create canvas. You've seen the output. 400 measurements. This runs once in the code. Function row runs infinite. In the background for giving the darkness of the color. Rectangle, 3 rectangles. Play paddle, computer paddle, the ball, and the measurements, and mouse for turning the play paddle with the mouse. Okay, now guys, you can understand it. So guys, subscribe for more videos, and each week I'll give you all videos. So the continuation of this class is in the next video. Next we will find detailed with the code.org. I can show you. You could see the first site I am taking. That link is also in the description. So if you want to study detailedly, go to the link in the description. For the timing, bye guys. Thank you for liking and supporting it.